you are terrified, afraid, concerned about the dragon of something we can call communism, Marxism.
Am I terrified of it? Not terrified enough to be a tyrant.
Your theories had two components.
Yeah. I'm not paralyzed.
It had a dragon.
Yeah. I'm not paralyzed, and I don't want to be a tyrant.
The tyrant part, I think, is missing with you. But
So
you are very concerned. The intensity of your feeling does not give much space, actually, at least in your public persona, for sitting quietly with the dragon and sipping in a couple of beers and thinking about this thing. The intensity of your anger, concern about certain things you're seeing in society, is that going to drive you off the path that ultimately takes us to a better world?
That's a good question. I mean, I'm trying to get that right. So we've kind of come to a cultural conclusion about the Nazis. Do you get to be angry about the Nazis? Seems the answer to that is yes.
Well, actually, let me push back here. I also don't trust people who are angry about the Nazis. Because
I mean the actual Nazis.
Well, there's a lot, as you know, there's a lot of people in the world that use actual Nazis to mean a lot of things.
I know.
One of them is very important to me.
Me, for example.
Well, yes.
He's a Nazi, or magical super Nazi, as it turns out.
I think they actually sort of steelman all their perspectives. I think a lot of people that call you a Nazi mean it. So
yeah, I'm aware of that.
There's an important thing there, though, because I went to the front in Ukraine.
Yeah.
And a lot of the people that lost their home or that got to interact a lot with the Russian soldiers, Ukrainian people that interact with the Russian soldiers, they reported that the Russian soldiers really believe they're saving the people of Ukraine in these local villages from the Nazis.
I understand, yeah.
So to them, it's not just that the Ukrainian government has, or Ukraine has some Nazis. It's like it has been, the idea is that the Nazis have taken over Ukraine and we need to free them. This is the belief.
Yeah.
So this, again, Nazi is still a dragon that lives.
Yeah.
And it's used by people because it's safe to sit next to that dragon and spread any kind of ideology you want. So I just want to kind of say that we, have agreed on this particular dragon, but I still don't trust anybody who uses that.
Yeah, but we have issues with boundaries, right? No, so this is a very complicated problem, right? Yeah. So René Girard believed that it was a human proclivity to demonize the scapegoat and then drive it out of the village. And I've thought about that a lot. We need a place to put Satan. Like, seriously, this is a serious issue.
Should he be inside the village or outside?
Well, maybe he should be inside you, right? That's the fundamental essence of the Christian doctrine. It's like Satan is best fought on the battleground of your soul. And that's right. It's right.